beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is what is their karma or their lesson for hurting you, or what will happen with them, their karma, and what is your blessing. So, friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel Magic Vents Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading, friends. Also, friends, do join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a general a timeless reading. Whenever you come across it, it will help you out in some way. Do join our new channel Magic Vents Tarot Hindi. The link is in the description box and the comment section of this post. Also, the timestamps have the link of the new channel. Do subscribe there, friends. So too much of talking now. Let's relax and take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1, this beautiful light pink flower. Option number 2, this beautiful yellow flower. Option number 3, this beautiful purple flower. Take a deep breath, relax, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there and choose your pile. You can also choose more than one option for different people or for the same person. You can choose that also. So let's see option number 1. What is their karma for hurting you? For option number 1, this beautiful pink, light pink flower. I would like to say add something here, friends. What is karma? We are not wishing anyone bad here. Karma is just the lessons we need to learn, or we all need to learn actually. When we come here, it's not like we all come with everything perfect. So there are lessons we all need to learn. Some lessons are good, some are bad, some are easy, some are tough. So what lessons they have, or what is their karma for hurting you? And this is your blessing card, this is your advice card. Let's see what is the karma, what is their karma for hurting you, what lessons they have to learn through what they did to you. Two of Wands, the Queen of Wands. Very nice. Wow, the star. That's beautiful actually. The Seven of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles. The Justice and the Devil. Oh my God. Look at this. We talked about karma and look what's out. The Justice. Friends, this person, I feel like this, all right, how do I say this? They are already facing their karma, or they knew it. This person knows, they are sooner or later going to face it, or they are already facing their karma. They know it. And possibly this was a soulmate or a very twin flame relationship for you, I feel like this person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or our viewers could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel this person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or our viewers could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I'm also getting a lot of Gemini vibes, so maybe our viewers or this person has some Gemini in it also. So what is their karma? I feel this person, I think this relationship was beautiful. This relationship was perfect and absolutely beautiful when it started. It was like a dream come true relationship for you. You are everything this person has wanted or desired, or this person was everything you have desired and wanted. And but then things changed. They left you, they hurted you, maybe you both were married and this person cheated on you, or they left you, or maybe there were some issues. I think Firstly, I would say the love between you two was very strong, the connection was very strong, the you both see each other as a dream come true, but then something happened and this connection was off. And I think this person is very defensive towards love. They don't like either entering very deep relationships, or they run away from commitment. And I think their karma, I think this person runs away from commitment, or they go into multiple relationships. Sorry to say, but this is a karmic reading. What is their karma? I have to say things as they are. Please don't get triggered. I'm saying, many people are asking me why I'm saying this again, like don't get triggered, because times are not easy, friends. This is 2020. I know you might be going through a lot, and it's as a medium, it's my job also to tell you if it's going to be difficult, or it may hurt you. So it's my duty to warn you. So don't get triggered, okay? Stay calm. So I feel this person has either they don't. I feel like they run away from love or commitment. Even though they know you are the perfect partner for them, this person ran away from commitment or responsibilities. Maybe this person chose work, maybe they chose someone else. I also feel this person um choose work over you, or some other women or person or man over you. Maybe you were married with this person, but they moved out of the marriage because there is the justice card. So what is their karma? Oh my god, friends, oh my god. Firstly, this person's karma is that they are going to see you succeed like anything. You are going to be so successful in your life that this person is going to be like, what just happened? What just happened? How and why? Because that's the karma, that's the blessing here, that you are going to shine, you are going to come into your power, you are going to be very successful, and this person will witness it, they will see it, and it will be like, wow, wow. They'll be shocked, they'll be surprised, they'll be happy, but they will see you shine, they will see you succeed. And I think there will come a point of time when they will fight for your love, or they will want to fight for your love, but they will see like you are out of their league. You are just out of their league now. You are somebody else. I think some of you are co-workers, or you work in the same environment, same office. So maybe your karma is like, their karma is that they will see you getting better and better at the job they were doing. Maybe you could end up as their boss or something, or someone you could be destined to become a public figure or get a lot of success or fame, and they are, or maybe you will marry someone who is extremely successful and famous and very hardworking, very loyal, and they are going to sit and wonder what just happened. Because they left you, friends, they left you, and they kind of they knew what they did. They ran away from your love, maybe because of addictions, passion, maybe commitment issues, or you were married, they moved away from it, or even if you are still married, they didn't put in a lot of effort in that marriage. So their karma is this person will see you succeed, they will see you become famous, or they will see you getting married or finding a person who is extremely famous and very well protective about you, very caring. They will see you coming into your power, and they will see that life is offering you much more than it is offering them. They will also face some legal issues. I feel like if they have like some legal, they will face their karma, that's for sure. They will have to learn some lessons. I think one of their karma is also to wait. Like you will be able to find things very quickly, like you will get into another relationship or find a life partner more easily than this person. They will have to wait for things to come to them. They will have to wait, they will have to prove to others they are honest, they are loyal, they are hardworking. They will have to work harder, very very hard, to prove themselves. but at the same time they will see you getting more and more successful in love, in work, in finances, and it's gonna be like, what just happened, what's happening? And I think this person's karma is also, they will come back and ask you again for your hand, or they will feel like asking you again to come back in their life. But by that time you have reached another level, you are out of their league. Let's see what's their karma for hurting you. I think this person will have a lot of, if they left you for another woman or something, or a person, they will have a hard time finding a very, very dependable relationship or a person they can trust. I see that they will, yeah, see, sorry friends if I just moved the camera, sorry for that. Playfulness, yeah, their karma is that their intuition, not, how do I say this? They will be very playful, they will find a lot of people who are very casual, or who are friends with benefit with them, or who are just with them for the purpose of fun, casualness, but they will have a lot of tough time finding a person who is devoted to them or who wants to care for them. I also feel this person will have a tough time in connecting to their heart or their emotions or their intuition, so that's also their karma, I feel. But they will also see you succeed and reach to another level of success, and it's gonna really make them I won't say unhappy, but they will be like surprised, they'll be shocked. What's their karma? I see, also this person and you have a strong telepathic connection. You are twin flames. So this person will really feel more and more connected. The more they move away from you, the more connected they feel, the more obsessed they will become about you. If this person, I feel like this person was like, forget me, I don't care, I don't care. I don't care even if you are not here. This person was really, whew, they were like, I don't care, I just don't care. But they will care, because they can't forget you, and that's their karma. No matter where they go, you haunt them. They are haunted by you, your memories, and your beauty, your charms, and not just that, they will see you everywhere, your success, everyone talking about you, your marriage, your success, and this is like, what is going on? I said I don't care, and everything is like, I care. They do care. That's their karma. They do care. Whew, the source. Oh, the page, the thunderbolt. Yeah, they will have. I think they might face some legal issues also, or some challenges with boss, authorities, all those areas. I also feel people will be very dominating or just the same as they are to others. The ace of wands and laziness, nine of cups, yeah, they will have a lot of people who want to enjoy their party with them, enjoy with them. Sexual attractions will be a lot, relationships based on sexual attraction, and all those will be a lot, but true connections will be less. Finding someone who is truly there or who is around them, that will be tough for them. I also feel this person may take a long time to grow up or change themselves, because I don't see them right now changing. Let's see, will they change? Will this person change or grow up, or like, will they be able to learn this lesson, mature it, and Ooh, creativity. I think they are trying. They are trying, and there is hope. This person will learn and become more balanced, and honor their female feelings, their love, care, not just passions, money, and all those things. There is chance. There is chance, but I think they are going on a very, very slow speed right now. But this person, their karma is your success, your memories will haunt them, because they are like, I don't care, I don't care, I simply just don't care. So yeah, let's see what will be your blessings for you that are coming for you. Let's see your advice first. Share the love. Number 3, friends, definitely I feel more I think you are not talking about what happened in this connection or how you feel about this person. I think some of you need to share some pain or some talk to people, talk to friends. If nothing, talk here in our comment section, friends. Magic Wednesday Tarot, I am always with you. If nothing else, you can talk here. So yeah, go ahead and do that. I feel the advice is that you need to take care of yourself. People who love you are coming. People who will value you are coming. Let's see what is the blessing that's gonna come to you after all this you have gone through, because it was a spiritual journey. You have learned something. So what's the blessing coming your way? It's like if you take an exam, there has to be a reward, a treat, like, right? Like you get some hot chocolates or something if you are doing well. If you don't do well, people say no worries, you can do it better next time. So that is what's your reward. Let's see. Vast vistas, expand your horizons. I think, friends, your life is going to really, really, really expand after meeting this person or after this thing has happened. You are going to either shift into a very, very different lifestyle, high profile lifestyle. Maybe you are going to relocate, or you are going to join a global, you are going to travel a lot, be more successful. So a lot of, positive energies coming your way. Look at this, how beautiful this card is. Vast vistas. I told you, we will become famous. You may marry someone from some other country, some other culture, or which someone who lives very far away, but they are very beautiful. And this person is like, wow, how just that happened. Wow, so so that's interesting, friend. That's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join our new channel Magic Wednesday Tarot Hindi. The link is in the timestamps. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. Friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful yellow flower, let's see what is their karma for hurting you. What's your blessing? What's their lesson? Let's see. This is the blessing card and this is your advice card. So let's see. This is a general reading, friends, but I will give you a trigger warning. So don't get triggered if something hurts you. It's just for knowledge sake. Nothing serious here. The 7 of Wands, the 5 of Wands, okay, lots of Wands energy. The 10 of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, the King of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the King of Cups. Oh my God, the 3 of Pentacles. How many people? Oh my God, lot of people. Wow. Lot of people actually, maybe a lot of people are involved in the situation. So your person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yeah, I feel like you both have a lot of water energy, like your moon sign, your Venus sign or Mars sign is in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So a lot of water energy is there. I feel this person has really, you have some age gap between this person and you. There is an age difference, there is cultural difference. I feel like age difference is there. Either you are young or they are young, and because of that, a lot of issues happened. I feel there was definitely a third party or someone interfering this connection of yours, like parents, their parents, or some family members, or maybe a boss or some work situation was interfering in this connection. I see a lot of fights going on between you and this person in the past, and that have led to a lot of problems between you and them. So what is their karma? I think this person's all right. I'm getting so many messages. I don't know where to I begin. So what the person, probably this person is married. I feel like they are, or they choose something else, like marriage with someone else or some other person. So, those things are there. So, what is their karma for hurting you? First thing I feel is that this person is going to attract a lot of wrong partners, a lot of wrong partners. This person is going to have a string of heartbreaks, one after the other. One, two, three, four. It's a chain reaction. I can see, like, boom, 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 boom. It's like one after the other. They are going, 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 and it's not working, working, working. There is always fight. There is always either this person will attract, if they are not married, this person's karma is they will attract a lot of argumentative relationships or partners, or they will attract many relationships like one, two, three, not, quickly ending relationships. And there will be a lot of incompatibility. They will attract a lot of incompatible partners towards them. I also feel if this person is married and they didn't choose you and they choose someone else, for any reason they choose someone else to marry them, I think this person will have a tough time in that marriage. They will have a tough time. There will be a lot of arguments in that marriage. There will be a lack of commitment or compatibility, difference of opinion. I also feel there will be a lack of harmony. I think, like, they will have to deal with a lot of people in that marriage. They will have to make everyone happy, not just their partner, husband or wife, but family, their in-laws. They will have to please everybody to make that marriage work, because that's how the energy, that's their karma. They have to work hard now to please everyone, because I think they didn't choose you. They just left you for money, for something else, for religion, for culture. I also feel it could be a same sex relationship for some of you, but this person just went away to someone else, or they just went away because family was not agreeing. Maybe your families know each other, or they married someone within the family. So this person will have to please everyone, their family, their parents, their in-laws, their cousins. This person will have to adjust and play, and how do I say, they will have to work hard to make this marriage work. They won't be happy. There will be a lot of conflict. There will be also money issues. There will be also, like, if they are married, their partner may have a lot of friends, and they will have to, like, accept it, or they will have a large social circle, and they can't just do anything about it. They will have to accept it, even if it hurts their ego, their pride. They will have to accept it. I also feel a lot of conflict in their life. If they are single, they will go into quick relationships one after the other, and not one of them working, is because there is incompatibility. There is also this office, like, they attract a lot of people they work with. I see they are attracting a lot of people they work with, but none of them is working out. None of those relationships working out, and they are like, what? I think this person may also go into friends with benefit kind of situations, or they may attract such people from work, you know. I also see this person might offer love to many people, but they may get rejected. Sorry to say that, but yeah, that's the energy. If they are not married, they are single, they may offer love to many people, but they will reject it, or they will keep making them wait and wait and wait until it's so late that they are, like, fed up, and they are just like, okay, I'm done. I also feel this person will face a lot of problems with authority, like people who are elder, like bosses or father. They will face a lot of money issues within the family or with the father. I also feel they will have to take responsibility of their mother or father, or they have to look after their sisters or someone in the family. They have to financially, emotionally look after that person, and that's their karma. And if they are married, oh my god, they have a lot of they have to work hard to make this balance. There will be a lot of fight. There will be also a lot of conflict about money, about everyone is dominating them. They will have to be the one who adjust, whether they are man or a woman. Let's see what's their karma. Let's see. What else is the karma for this person? Pile number 2. Playfulness, totality. Let's see. I think, yeah, this person will be stretched thin, See, participation in reversed. I told you, nobody will help this person, or they will feel like nobody is helping them. They are supposed to be, they are supposed to work harder to make their relationships work. They will feel stretched in the relationships. They will feel very stretched. A lot of conflict. All these are wands, 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 fire, fire, fire. So they may attract lot of people who are dominating, who are controlling, and they may also attract, their karma is like, they will have to work very hard to balance things, and they may also get rejected also by, in love or competition. They will feel a lot of competition in their marriage, in their love life, the lovers, and they will remember you whenever they will face these situations, this conflict, this I don't think so. If they are married, their husband or wife, they will test their ego, they will challenge them, there will be a lot of fighting, and that is when they will miss you. They will be like, wow, that those times were different, life was full of happiness, it was like this sunshine, it was like this beautiful. That is when they will miss you, and their soul and their heart will long for you. That's tough. So let's see if they will be able to learn and grow or come back. Let's see that. Will this person be able to overcome their karma, learn from it, anything? They will know, they will realize it, they will realize it. Consciousness, Ace of Swords. Yeah, I feel, yeah, there is a chance. Patience, yes, this person is on the right track, friends. They are on the right track. There will be breakthroughs. I think they may have to get married, or they may go through many bad relationships, but I think eventually they will become more aware about their shortcomings or how to fix them. And I feel with time, with patience, they are definitely, absolutely going to learn their lessons and realize what you are, or this connection is to them. I definitely see that. In fact, they will be learning all this to realize that what you and them had were beautiful. It was beautiful. You are soulmates, twin flames. Let's see the advice for you, friends. Let's see that. Heart chakra, number 4. Wow. Wow, I think, friends, it's time that you should focus on your heart chakra, your heart, your emotions. I think you are viewers, pile number 2 viewers. You have closed your heart in some way because of this connection. So keep your heart open, keep yourself open, heal your heart, don't close it. I do see they love you, they do care for you, they are your twin flame or your soulmate, and this person has made some mistakes, but they are on the right path. And with patience, they will be able to overcome and learn. Let's see what blessings will come your way. So this is their karma and their path, soul journey, but what blessings you will get from what all you have been through. Let's see that. Grace and gratitude. Through gratitude, joy expands. I think you will become very, very, the blessings will be like, everything will flow to you very easily. Life will become very easy, especially if you stay in this heart's energy, and very, you'll become more grateful for things in life. You will not become, you will, even though this relationship may not have worked out, but you will be like, okay, fine, you will accept it gracefully. You will be like, okay, you know, if the door is closed, a window is open. So you will feel like that way. Your gratitude, you will feel more grateful, more happy. Things will come more easily to you. More love will come towards you. I feel more money will also come towards you, and you will be grateful, very, very grateful. You will attract happy people, people who will help you, nourish you, people or opportunities you are like, wow, I never thought I could attract that in my life, or you know, I never thought it would happen for me, but it would. And you will feel like, wow, you know, because stay in the energy of your heart, don't block it. Wow, that's interesting, friends. That's so beautiful and that's amazing. And that's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share, friends. Subscribe, click the bell icon. Also, friends, do join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednesday.com. And friends, join our new YouTube channel, Magic Wednesday Hindi. Friends, link is in the timestamps. This is Mystic Z saying bye. Friends, for those who chose option number 3, what is their karma for hurting you, or what are the blessings for you if you choose this beautiful dark pink flower? Let's see, this is your blessing, this is your advice. Wow, you have 2 advice cards, very nice. And let's see your cards, what is their karma for hurting you? Wow, 2 of cups, the Hierophant, the 3 of cups, the 6 of cups, oh my god, the 8 of swords, the 10 of swords, goodness gracious. Whew. Magician. The lovers. Oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful. Friends, this person and you are destined lovers. You are soulmates, twin flames. I don't know what you are. You are like perfect. I think you're perfect. You are just beautiful for each other. But this person didn't choose you, friends. This there was a brutal ending to this connection. Maybe you were married to this person, or you were planning to get married, and there was a brutal ending in this connection. Things just went from bad to worse to, you know, becoming entirely, you know, maybe this person, I don't know what they did, but the ending was horrible. It was horrible for you, for them. Maybe this person put you in third party, or maybe I feel like this person allowed a lot of people to interfere in this connection. They listened to a lot of people. Maybe this person and you wanted, I mean, like, you both are soulmates, absolutely. Maybe you know them from childhood, or you have been in the same city somewhere, or in same colleges at one point of time, or in the same office, or you have that childhood innocent connection and you are soulmates, absolutely. That person knows it. But something regarding marriage or commitment happened. I think someone interfered in this connection, maybe a friend, maybe some common friends, maybe some family. This person listened to others, or maybe tradition, like, you know, you both are from different traditions or different cultures. So maybe this person was very traditional, you are not, and they were like, oh, I should be traditional, it isn't my tradition, so what am I supposed to do? Ah, man, this is. Oh. And I think this person did something that was not fair to you, and they know that. They know that. They very well know that, because the Hierophant is here. They know what they did to you, and someone else also knows, like their friends, their family, or someone who I think this person listens a lot to other people. Then themselves, they listen to a lot of other people. I also feel this person just didn't take action in your connection and just let it go. So what is their karma? I feel one of their major karma is that this person, you know, this person will not, this person knows, once they moved away from you, they realized who you are, what you mean to them, what your value is. And this person is like, they are still they are still being told who you are, like, they are still awakening to the fact who you are, and this person will want you back. They are trying to manifest you back, and I think their karma is that they will want to manifest you back, but they will not be successful in that. They will want you back. They will feel like, they will ask their friends, their family, like, please, I want this person back, can I go, can you talk to them? But I think they won't be lucky. They will feel very stuck, and if they are trying to manifest anything in their life, they won't feel lucky, or they will feel like they will just like, I won't get it, because I won't get it. They will feel very orthodox. They will feel very resistant. And I also feel that this person will also see you getting married to someone else. That's also their karma. You will find someone who is better, who is equal, and who is perfect. And in those same place where this person was, he or she was, they will see someone else, and it's their karma, it's their destiny, and it will make them feel very helpless. I think this person's karma is that they will want you back. They will want you back, and the more time goes, they will want you more back into their life, but they will feel helpless. They will feel restricted. They will ask your common friends, or maybe the universe or people, to help them out to win you again, but I don't think so you will, or the universe will say yes. I also feel their karma is that they will see you getting married with someone even better than them, and it will just make them feel very helpless. And another part of their karma is they will know more and more how important you were in their life, what you were to them. I think this person didn't realize it. They thought you were the soulmate, but what else? I think they will keep on finding more about your connection with them, and it will frustrate them. It will be like, oh my God, what did I let go of? I also feel this person's karma is they will face a lot of strict, if they left you for religion, traditionality, or a lack of action. Like they were afraid of taking a risk, I feel. So they will face many situations where they will have to take a risk, but again I see them not taking a risk. So they will face a lot of, tradition or authorities putting blocks in their path. They will try, like they apply for some permission, but that gets blocked because they have to take a risk, but they are not taking it. So I see a lot of blocks. I see blocks coming in their life. Angels, what is this person's? I see that they will see you getting very happily married, and your common friends also going there. Maybe they will be invited to that wedding of yours, and they will be like, holy, what's happening? Sorry to, I can't use bad words here. YouTube is a beautiful community. But this person will really, really miss you, and they'll want you back. They'll want you back. I see this person, aching for you, but they will, something will not, align. See their karma. What is their karma? Integration, twin flames. Yeah, this person's karma is they need to learn, that to appreciate things when they have it first, because, and not to listen to other people, and not to stay in this helpless, I can't help, I can't change. They play a victim. I think they play a victim, but that's what life is going to do to them. Like, you can't change anything, you can't manifest anything. Wow, the laziness, Nine of Cups, and the Thunderbolt. I think this person is going to get a lot of wake up calls from the universe, like, wake up, wake up, wake up. Are you listening? Wake up. So, this person is going to get a lot of wake up calls. I think this person is kind of spiritual, but they don't believe in it right now, or they know your connection but they don't believe in it. So it's like they know things but they doubt it. So this person is going to get a lot of wake up calls until they really take a risk for it and say yes. What is this person's karma? Angels, pile number 3. What's their karma? traveling, 8 of Wands. This person will have to travel a long path. I told you, it's a long journey filled with a lot of confusions, filled with roadblocks, uphill. It's a tough thing. They will have to learn how to be risky, how to follow their intuition, and how to appreciate things when they are around, people when they are around. Politics, participation in reverse. Yeah, they will have to reveal their true feelings, and otherwise, they will face a lot of fake people, politics, gossip. A lot of people will continue to interfere their life if they don't actually choose to be honest. Again, Three of Cups. This person keeps going in loops. They keep going in loops. They learn first the lesson, again they forget it, they start being casual, they listen too much to others, they allow others to interfere their life, a lot of politics, then roadblocks, endings, and then again they wake up, and again they will have a wake up call. So they will have a lot of wake up calls. Wow, this person's karma doesn't stop telling. Healing number, the King of Cups healing. This person needs to open their heart and learn to share and express their feelings. That's also part of their karma. They need to. They just can't play a victim or like avoid things or not talk, or they need to come forward and talk. So, will they ever be able to learn their karma or master it? Let's see that. Rightness, Nine of Pentacles. I think, yeah, they will be able to learn from this and master this thing, but it will take some time. It won't be like they have all. Will they be able to master their karma, angels? Understanding, Page of Cups. It will take them time, friends. It will take them time. It won't be very, very soon or very quickly, because I see them going back into circles. Again, the Page and the Cups. The day they balance their mind and heart, that's the time they are going to learn this lesson, and more quickly they will master it. Let's see the advice for you. Let's see that. Coming together, number 2. I definitely see for some of you this person will want to come back and patch up with you or make things work with you. That's the advice. I also see Two of Cups. I see that a more beautiful and amazing Two of Cups is also here. So more amazing, a more perfect, harmonious relationship is coming your way, and you have to keep your hopes high. Refusing to see Two of Swords. I think you need to, advice is that you need to follow your intuition. Your intuition is telling you something which you are not listening right now. Maybe your intuition is telling you it's not the time for this connection to work, or maybe this person is not ready for this connection. So listen to your intuition. A better connection is coming your way. Let's see your advice. I also feel this person will try to come back, but you have to use your intuition or use your senses. Is it worth it or not? Because I told you, they can go into loops. Let's see the blessing coming your way from this connection. View from above, get the bigger picture. That's beautiful. I think you will grow spiritually a lot from this connection, because the Hierophant is here. So this is a very spiritual connection. You both will grow a lot. Especially our viewers are going to get a lot of spiritual growth, insights, awareness. And I think you will be able to understand. The blessing is that you will be able to see things from a larger perspective. You will understand how life works or how spirituality works. You will able to understand many things. Like right now you are struggling to understand something, but in the future the blessings will be, you will understand things, why they are happening, what is the reason you are meeting others. So you will have a lot of clarity. That's the blessing. A lot of clarity, a lot of love, happiness, and awareness coming to you. That's beautiful, my dear friends. And that's it for now. Magic Vents Tarot. Do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Join our new channel Magic Vents Tarot Hindi. The link is in the timestamps. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot, friends. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.